The People First search function doesn't just allow us to search for individuals or content from the newsfeed, it also allows us to search for different groups and do comparisons on those groups. If we go into the Strong Performers category, we can bring up a comparison view of all those employees. We can scroll across and see all the associated information with those employees that we need to see. We can also export these results to a CSV file and work with them offline if we need to. This will also show us the position on the 9-box grid if we're looking at one of those groups. We can also drill down into the employee's record by clicking on their name, and this will go open up their People First profile. We could search for other groups, such as a line manager could do a search on their team and do a comparison on the people in their team, such as looking at sickness, holidays, and other information that they need to see.